Hello friends, you're watching Inspire Health. Today I'm unboxing merino wool base layers by Meriwool. Please note that this video was not sponsored. I purchased all products shown in this video at their full retail price. After I unbox the items, I will take you on a trip. We will head over to the park where I will try on the clothes for you. This first item I'm unboxing is Elementex Merino Wool Women's 250-gram mid-weight thermal pants in camel stripe, size small. The packaging is great. They've included a promotional pamphlet and nice stickers too. It's packaged and delivered with care and on time. The garments are comfortable and convenient. Quick-drying items have flattering fit, features a loop for hang drying while partaking in any outdoor activity. Meriwool base layers are super soft. 100% all-natural, super fine 18.5 micron merino wool ensures comfort all day long, no itch. And now I'm unboxing thermal crewneck top in the same color option and small size. Meriwool is breathable, keeping you cool in summer and warm in winter. 250 gram per square meter weight, interlock knit merino wool can be used as a base layer or mid layer. Caring for Meriwool is easy. It's machine washable on cold setting and safe to tumble dry on low heat with light colors, so it's ready when you are for your next adventure. But for best results, hand wash and lay flat to dry. Merino wool's natural wicking and odor-resistant properties keep you dry and comfortable while active in cold weather. Wicking refers to a fabric's ability to pull moisture away from your body. Merino wool is extremely breathable fabric and absorbs moisture better than most fibers. In addition, Meriwool has exceptional customer care, great return and exchange policy, plus includes a 1-year limited manufacturer's warranty, which covers manufacturing and material defects. Later, I also purchased a purple crewneck top, size extra small, as well as additional pants and pink heather, small. Meriwool beanies are fantastic, so I added a purple one to my collection. Now I have 3 lovely beanies. And now I'm gonna take you out to the park where I'll be trying on the camel stripe set. Getting ready for colder weather ahead of time is something we've always done in my family, and I definitely recommend it. I avoid rushing last minute, so planning ahead is important to me. I got introduced to Meriwool brand recently, just last year. It was a personal recommendation from someone whose opinion I value a lot. Indeed, the base layers I bought feel luxurious on my body. They are of a high quality and convenient to use. I appreciate that the prices are reasonable for these items of merino wool base layer category. The pair looks adorable as a set. Small size is a bit large for me. Extra small would fit better. However, I like looser clothes for comfort, so I'm keeping these. Living in a four-season climate all my life taught me to dress appropriately for comfort, but even more importantly for safety and health reasons. Having quality base layers make me feel confident and ready for the upcoming winter adventures. I like to place my focus on experiencing the environment rather than suffering from discomfort. When you are fully prepared, the winter can feel rather exciting and relatively comfortable. By the way, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss my upcoming videos on weight loss and healthy lifestyle. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video and our walk in a park. Share in the comments how you prepare for the colder weather. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe, and as always, stay inspired.